Well, I'm back with more DIY bodyworks and wellness tips. And as always, I love to feature my publication, I Touch Myself, and I Like It. It's a DIY self massage, acupressure, reflexology, and Wealth-flex-ology journal recorder. So, what I want to speak about quickly is being able to leverage the self massage technique, doing really face massaging and also pampering yourself in the process. So anytime you're actually giving yourself even a facial, so to speak, and doing some, massages, that's a form of pampering yourself. So I want to share also one of my throwback publications, and I'm really leveraging this one big time during this season, is the Pampered Self Challenge. And so being able to take time out, even 5 to 15 minutes to do some self pampering daily or weekly or so, really making this a lifestyle practice instead of just a treat is really, really great for your overall well being. And that is still a form of the DIY body work, because sometimes we think that the body work is, working on specific areas. I talk a lot about the acupressure and the reflexology and do a lot of demonstrations with that, and even self massage like on my feet, and yeah, just demonstrating that. But also, like I said, being able to use your face, do massage there, neck and everything. Just take time out to really, like I said, pamper yourself. There's so many ways that you can bring touch and healing and well-being and overall wholeness, to your life with just yeah, some simple daily practices. So both of these publications are on Amazon, but I'll have links in the description. So just wanted to, just share that. Just take time out to touch yourself in the most divine and aligned ways for your overall well-being.